You don't want an ordinary bow for your perfect Christmas gift. Let's learn how to make the beautiful gold bow for your last minute gift. So we're gonna pre-cut 2 sizes of ribbon. We're going back and forth each sides and making our loops, just one on top of the other. Once the loops are done, we're gonna tie with a shorter string and then make sure it's secure. Bring our loops up and tight, and then we can fluff them out a little bit. Attach to our gift and then fluff them out on the gift. Make sure the sides of the bows are showing correctly, whether it's the glitter side or the shiny side up. And now you have a perfect bow for your gift. Merry Christmas!